Sustainability is a core element of our service. We don't just find you a place to stay. We choose properties that care for the planet. We prioritize energy-efficient buildings, renewable energy use, thermal insulation, and features like EV charging stations, bike storage, or public transport access. Many of our partner properties meet international or local sustainability certifications such as LEED or BREEAM. Our commitment doesn't end with property selection. We provide guests with digital guides to support environmentally responsible habits, encourage waste sorting and water-saving behaviors, and reduce unnecessary cleaning to conserve resources. Welcome kits often include local or organic items, and we avoid single-use plastics whenever possible. Relocation often means new daily routines, and we help shape them sustainably. We recommend homes close to workplaces or well-connected by public transport to reduce car usage. We also promote walking, cycling, and the use of light electric vehicles as healthier, lower-emission alternatives for commuting. We lead by example. Our team works in a hybrid model, minimizing business travel and embracing digital tools to reduce waste and emissions. Our central office location supports employees using bikes or public transport. Internally, we promote eco-conscious habits and a culture of shared responsibility. Sustainability for us goes beyond the environment. It includes people. We work with local service providers and support clients with diverse needs, from single parents to relocating families. We prioritize comfort, cultural understanding, and emotional safety as part of a truly sustainable relocation experience. At Exclusive Worldwide, sustainability isn't a side offering. It's embedded in the way we operate, the partners we choose, and the everyday experience we provide. We make small decisions that lead to a greater impact.